So I'm going to describe gene variants. So if we take those two words, and we'll start with the word gene. So we're made up of genes, and these are the instructions that describe all of our features, the things that make us who we are. They're an instruction, like an instruction manual or a recipe, made up of lots and lots of letters that go on to explain how we're made. We can have changes in that code in the way those letters are written, and they're termed variants. There are three kinds of variants. You can have a benign variant, that is where there's a letter change, but it doesn't cause any problems with who you are at the end. The instructions are still there. The recipe ends up making what you expected it to make. You can have pathogenic variants. These are where actually it does make a big difference, and the gene ends up making something that is wrong and it doesn't work, and often can lead to a condition. And then there's a third kind of variant, and that's known as a variant of uncertain significance. And as the term suggests, that ends up with a product that we're not sure. It might not cause any problems, but it may cause problems.
I'm going to explain what a variant in a gene is. Now, we each have thousands of genes. Each gene is a bit like an instruction or a recipe for something about us. However, spelling mistakes may occur in genes, which affects the instruction or affects the way that the gene works. Spelling mistakes, the technical term for these is the term variant, and there are different kinds of variants that can occur in genes. So there may be a variant or a spelling mistake that's known as a pathogenic variant. This variant does go on to cause health problems, or generally does go on to cause health problems or a genetic condition. A variant may cause no problems at all. It may not affect the instruction of the gene at all in the way that it works, and in this case it's called a benign variant, and it doesn't cause any health problems. A variant can also be a variant of unknown significance. What this means is that even with the wealth of information out there, the lab don't have enough information to be able to tell whether the variant is going to cause a problem with the gene or not, whether it's going to cause any health problems, or whether it's just a chance finding that's never going to cause any problems at all.